Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact clip and frame you want to track. This sets a clean reference for the tracker to follow. Once done, open the inspector and enable the tracking controls so you can pick point or shape tracking depending on the subject. Make sure to set search size and accuracy. Higher accuracy reduces drift but increases processing time. You want a tight reference frame and appropriate search radius, so the tracker finds reliable features instead of jumping to back. You now run the analysis. Press Analyze Forward and watch the tracker create keyframes along motion paths. If the tracker drifts, pause and manually add or correct keyframes at problem frames. This fixes errors before they compound. Once the main pass is done, add secondary trackers for separate features or tricky movement and apply smoothing to reduce jitter. Make sure to preview at different speeds so you can spot subtle errors and tighten anchor points where the subject changes direction. You finish by applying the tracking data to your target, text, a graphic, or the clip's transform, so it follows the motion exactly. Once applied, play the sequence and adjust timing or offsets. If everything looks good, bake the keyframes or export the tracking data for reuse. If the track fails, try a closer reference frame, add a mask to hide occlusions, or increase accuracy and reanalyze. These fixes usually eliminate drift and restore a stable tracked result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.